Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Podcast, the show where learning English feels like chatting with friends. I'm Leo the Lion, your friendly roar of motivation.
And I'm Kitty the Cat, your perfect English learning buddy. Today's episode is called A Day in My City, and we'll explore what life is like in our cities, all while learning new English words and expressions.
That's right, so grab your headphones, sit back, and let's walk through our cities in English.
Mornings in my city are so busy. I wake up, look out the window, and I can already hear car horns and people rushing to work.
Same here. My city wakes up before the sun. There's always someone jogging, street vendors setting up stalls, and buses honking.
The word vendor means someone who sells things like food, drinks, or small items on the street.
Exactly. And you'll often hear people say, the city never sleeps. It's an idiom that means the city is always active, day and night.
That's true. Sometimes I think my city drinks more coffee than people.
I believe that. I start my day with coffee too. Speaking of mornings, I usually go for a short walk in the park near my apartment.
Oh, nice. What do you see on your morning walk?
I see old men reading newspapers, kids playing football, and birds singing. Sometimes I even meet my neighbors and we chat about the weather. A very British thing to do.
Talking about the weather is a classic small talk topic in English. You can say things like, lovely weather today, or it looks like rain.
Yes, small talk helps you sound friendly and natural when speaking English.
After my walk, I go to my favorite cafe. It's small but cozy. The smell of fresh bread and coffee makes my morning perfect.
Oh, I love that feeling. What do you usually order?
A cappuccino and a croissant. I'm a cat who loves carbs.
No wonder you're always so energetic. I usually grab a sandwich and some orange juice. Quick and simple.
That's a great phrase. Grab something means to take something quickly, especially food or drink. For example, let's grab lunch.
Exactly. By the way, do you ever people watch at cafes?
Oh, yes. I love observing people. Couples talking, students studying, or tourists taking selfies.
That's the beauty of cities. Every corner tells a story.
After breakfast, I usually take the subway to work. It's crowded, but it's the fastest way to travel.
I prefer taking the bus. It's slower, but I get to look out the window and enjoy the city view.
That's nice. In English, when we say rush hour, we mean the busy time of day when people are going or coming back from work.
Right. You can say, the train is packed during rush hour, which means it's full of people.
And don't forget traffic jam, when cars are stuck and not moving. Oh, I hate that.
Me too. But sometimes I use that time to listen to English podcasts, like this one.
Smooth plug, Leo.
After work, I like exploring new parts of my city, like museums, bookstores, or small parks.
Oh, that sounds peaceful. I usually go shopping or meet friends for lunch. My city has so many cute cafes and local shops.
When you said local shops, that's a good phrase. It means stores owned by people who live in the same city, not big chains.
Right. And another common phrase is window shopping. It means looking at things in shop windows without buying them.
I do that all the time. My wallet feels safe that way.
Same. But sometimes I can't resist a new mug or a cute notebook.
That's another useful expression. I can't resist means something is too tempting to say no to.
As the sun sets, the city lights up. I love walking along the river. The reflection of lights on the water is magical.
Wow, that sounds beautiful. My evenings are a bit noisier. I live near a market, so I hear people chatting, kids laughing, and music playing from food stalls.
Oh, I can imagine the smell of street food. Yum.
Yes, street food means food that's sold on the roadside, often cheap and delicious.
What's your favorite?
Spicy noodles. They're my guilty pleasure.
Mine too. After dinner, I usually read or watch a movie before bed.
Same here. Sometimes I just stand on my balcony and watch the city lights. It's peaceful, even though the city is full of life.
That's a lovely contrast. Peaceful and lively at the same time.
So, listeners, what did we learn today?
Let's recap. Today, we used useful English phrases for daily life in the city. For example, vendor, rush hour, grab something, can't resist, small talk. Casual conversation often about weather or daily things.
And remember, idioms make your English sound more natural and expressive.
Exactly. And next time you go out, try describing your own city in English. What sounds, smells, and people make it special.
Great idea, Kitty. And if you share it in the comments, we might read your story in the next episode.
We hope you enjoyed today's walk through our cities.
And remember, learning English is like exploring a city. You discover something new every day.
Aw, that's beautiful, Leo.
Thanks for listening to the English Podcast. If you like this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next adventure.
Both together.
See you soon. And keep learning English with fun.